want to see if what happens. It may not do worth a flip, but I'm going to try it anyway. Man, it has been so miserable hot around here. It's been in the high 90s and the heat indexes have been way over 100, well over 100. But it has just been miserable, so yeah, I thought he was going to come over here with me there. But yeah, I haven't been recording because it's just so hot, it ain't worth the trouble, you know. Main thing, that helmet I got is so hot. Of course, I got an old helmet that I've had for quite a while. I'm trying a new way of recording with it just to see what happens. If it works, that's good. If not, oh well, I'll figure something else out. And when it cools down, there won't be no problem as far as wearing a full coverage helmet. Oh, the police are out everywhere today. That's about the third or fourth one I've passed in just what little time I've been riding this morning. I mean, I just got out. I went to the gas station, filled up, and just hit the road. So yeah, they're everywhere this morning. They must need some money or something. But anyway, I'm going to take a little ride, see how this audio works this way. So how's everybody been? I've been watching videos. I hadn't been making any, but I've been watching them. Let's go this way. Ooh, better slow down, dude. I tell you, right lately I've been watching on YouTube. I've been watching some of these videos, these foreigners that come to the U.S. and just how amazed they are about how we live here in this country compared to their home. And I watch their videos and they're just amazed and in awe of it. And then I watch the news and I see all these morons. All they can do is complain and talk about how bad the U.S. is and stuff. And I just want to say, man, I wish they could go live in some of these other countries for a while, just to see how things are different there, and then they would appreciate what they got here, or at least I would think they would. For some people, they're just going to be buttholes no matter what, you know. But anyway, there's two or three couples. A couple of them are from England, and they traveling in the southeast, you know, and they're just blown away how the way people are around here, how friendly they are, and the things you're allowed to do. You know, like in England, you're not even allowed to own a gun. And then one of them, they're down here in Louisiana, and they're out on this old place with these folks down there in real South Louisiana. they're out back shooting guns, and they're just blown away by it. It's just awesome, you know. They would give anything to be able to do things the way you can in this country. And when they go to like restaurants, the portions are just unbelievable how big they are. Yeah, it's something. But anyway, that's what I've been watching a lot of that lately. So hot, you know, that I just ain't had no desire to record, because man, you get out, you leave the house. Like the other day I left the house and it was around 82, I believe. Man, perfect, beautiful. There you go. And then by the time I got back, which was only a couple hours later, it was already in the mid-90s, and man, I just pouring sweat. Take your helmet off and feel like you just got out of the shower, you know. So I told my wife the other day, I said, well, I'm fixing to make a statement that I never thought I would make. Well, you know, I've worked outside my whole life. I was in construction, so I worked out in the weather, you know, so the hot temperatures didn't bother me real bad, you know. But yeah, I told her, I said, I'm ready to make a statement I thought I'd never make. But I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for the temperatures to cool down. I've always been a warm weather person. You know, I can't stand to be cold. I hate being cold. Man, there's something dead back there. But yeah, I'm ready for the temperatures to cool down now, because it's getting ridiculous. This Louisiana hot, it's a whole lot hotter than that Alabama hot. I have learned that. Temperatures will be the same here and there, but man, it's so much hotter to feel in here. Yep, I'm ready for the cooler weather. Nice and curvy. Nice and curvy. That ought to be enough video to see how this audio will turn out. If it did worth a flip, I guess I'll make a video. If not, oh well, I took a ride, huh? But if you see this video, you know, it turned around alright, I guess. Anyway, thanks for coming along with me, and hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care, be safe. See you later.